Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some 5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, January the 15th at Dollar General. And I have a total of 5 deals for y'all today. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you. So please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute and share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are just simply that. They are a glitch in the system. Also, it is very important when you're in the store to scan each item in your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also, you want to scan them to price check because prices do vary from store to store. And here's how I go about checking out whenever I do my 5 off $25 scenarios. So first I'll have the cashier ring up all of my items. Then you want to verify that your subtotal is $25 or more. Keep in mind that that is before taxes. If your store has the newer keypads in place, you will have to ask your cashier what your subtotal is. If you still have the older keypads at your store, it will actually show you your subtotal on the screen. Then I'll type in my phone number and I'll wait for all of my digital coupons to come off. Again, if you have the older keypad still at your store, it will actually show you which digital coupons have been applied. Then if I have any paper coupons, I will hand those over last. Now, there is one exception to using paper coupons. If you are going to use a paper 5 off $25 coupon that we get on the bottom of our receipts, you want to hand that over first and then type in your digital coupons. That way, all of your coupons will work together. Now, keep in mind, if your subtotal isn't what you expect it to be, you can always void the transaction and try again because your digital coupons will go directly back onto your account and any paper coupons that you may have handed over will still work because the transaction was never completed. Alright guys, so we're going to kick off these scenarios with a Gain deal. So it is very, very important that you scan each and every Gain scented product that you want to purchase. And for this week, you want to make sure that the 5 off 30 Gain coupon and the 5 off 25 both show up under each Gain scented product. Now, unfortunately, this week we don't have any Gain manufactured digital coupons that we can work into this scenario, but any other time you would also want to make sure that that digital coupon would show up as well. So for this week, just focus on scanning the product to make sure that the 5 off 30 Gain shows up and the 5 off 25. Now, this is very important because some of the Gain products and some of the Gain scented products do not work with the 5 off 30 Gain coupon. So let's just pretend here really quickly. Here's an example on your screen. Let's go into the store. We're going to scan the Gain Flings 51 Count Moonlight Breeze scent. So all 3 of those digital coupons did show up underneath. That's what you want to look for, except for this week we don't have any individual manufacturer coupons that would attach to the flings. But just because the 5 off 30 Gain coupon and the 5 off 25 show up underneath those 51 count flings, that does not mean that it will also work on the original scent. So it is very, very important. I can't stress it enough. This is the #1 mistake that people make, is they kind of get in a hurry and they forget to scan the products. Alright guys, so for this Gain scenario, you want to pick up 4 of the Gain laundry products that are $6.95 each. That's going to put you at $27.80, and there is a big variety that you can choose from. We have the Gain Flings, the liquid laundry detergent, the fabric softener, the sheets, or the scent boosters. Then you want to pick up a Gain scented Febreze product that is priced at $3. And again, you can choose whichever item best suits your household. You can choose from air fresheners, small spaces, car clips, or wax melts. All of those are priced at $3 each. Then you want to pick up one of the Nature's Truth Vitamin C for $1 from the dollar aisle, and one of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1 also from the dollar aisle. Your subtotal is going to be $32.80. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 5 off 30 Gain coupon, 4 of the 2 off 1 Gain insert coupons from the January 2 Save Insert, the 2 off 1 Nature's Truth digital coupon, and the 2 off 1 Crest digital coupon. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $10.80 for all 7 items, making each one just $1.54 each. Alright guys, next up we are going to take care of our paper products for this week, and we are going to be taking advantage of the instant savings deal on Scott, Cottonelle, Vita, and Kleenex products. It's when you spend $20, you're going to instantly save $4 at the register. So for this deal, you want to pick up one of the Cottonelle bath tissue 12 count for $5, one of the Scott bath tissue 12 count for $5, one of the Scott paper towel 6 count for $5.50, 4 of the boxes of Kleenex for $6. Those are $1.50 each. And those 7 items are going to put you over the $20 mark for that instant savings to come off at the register. Then you want to pick up one of the Puffs tissue cubes for $1.65, one of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1 in the dollar aisle, one of the Nature's Truth vitamin C's for $1, and one of the Centrum vitamin 60 count for $5. That is going to bring your subtotal to $30.15. That $4 in instant savings will come off first at the register, and that is going to bring your new subtotal down to $26.15. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. Now, I'm not sure what happened, but I did leave off the 4-off-1 Centrum Vitamins digital coupon, but that is going to be listed in the next slide. And here is that list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5-off-25, the 1-off-1 Cottonelle, the 1-off-1 Scott bath tissue, the 1-off-1 Scott paper towels, the 1-off-4 Kleenex, the 1-off-1 Puffs tissues, the 2-off-1 Crest, the 2-off-1 Nature's Truth, and the 4-off-1 Centrum vitamins. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $8.15 for all 11 items, making each one just 74 cents each. And don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards app. Now, if you're not already signed up, I do have a referral code. It is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below. And if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points. But if you do this scenario and you scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards app, we do have a bonus right now on Scott, Cottonelle, Vita, and Kleenex products. And that bonus is for when you spend $25 on these items, you're going to get 5,000 in points back, which is the equivalent of $5. And the awesome thing about this bonus is it will accumulate. So if you've already been to Walgreens this week, or if you plan on going, we have an awesome Scott paper towel and bath tissue deal there as well. So if you've scanned that receipt plus this receipt, you may be really, really close to hitting that $25 mark and getting back that 5,000 in points. Now, as a quick disclaimer, I'm not sure how the Fetch Rewards rebate app will count all of these Scott and Cottonelle and Kleenex products that we picked up in this scenario. I'm not sure if they will count it as $20 or if they're going to look at the subtotal, but just scan your receipt in, because the important part is that it will accumulate and you'll eventually work your way up to getting that 5,000 in points back. Alright guys, so next up we have a stock up scenario on cereals. So we do have an instant savings this week of $3 when you spend $10 on Kellogg's products. So we're going to pick up 4 of the Kellogg's cereals. They are on sale this week, 2 for $5. Make sure that you scan it in the app and pick up the ones that are actually on sale, 2 for $5, because sometimes they do have some that are excluded from that sale. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Quaker cereals. So that's Life cereal or the Captain Crunch. You can mix and match. Those are also on sale, 2 for $5. Then you want to pick up 4 of the Reeses Hearts for $6. Those are $1.50 each. 1 of the Vitafusion Gummies for $5.75. 1 of the Nature's Truth vitamin C vitamins for $1. 1 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1. And 2 of the Airwick warmers for $3.30. Those are $1.65 each. And that is going to bring your subtotal to $32.05. That $3 in instant savings will come off first at the register, and that is going to bring your new subtotal down to $29.05. Now, I do want to mention really quickly with this scenario, I did just add in the Nature's Truth vitamins and the Crest toothpaste to take advantage of those freebies and get that overage. But if you don't have these coupons any longer, or if your store doesn't have these products available, don't worry about it. You can still do this scenario. Just make sure that your subtotal before coupons is at least $28. That way, when that $3 in instant savings comes off first at the register, you're still going to meet that $25 threshold in order for your 5-off $25 coupon to work. Alright guys, and here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5-off-25, the 2-off-2 Quaker products, the 1-off-2 Quaker cereal, the buy 2, get 2 free for the Reese's Hearts, the 2-off-1 Vitafusion Vitamins digital coupon, the 2-off-1 Nature's Truth vitamins, 2-off-1 Crest toothpaste, 160 off 1 Airwick warmer, and 175 off 1 Airwick product. Your subtotal after coupons will be $8.70 for all 15 items, but hang on because it gets a little bit better. Because right now on Ibotta, we have a $2 rebate for the Vitafusion Gummies. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and you're going to get $2 back. Now, if you're not already signed up for Ibotta, I highly recommend it. I have saved thousands by using this rebate app. So my referral code is on the screen here as well as down in the description box below if you want to go and check it out. So like I said, you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, you're going to get $2 back, and that is going to make your final price just $6.70 for all 15 items, making each one just 44 cents each. Now that is an awesome deal, especially since we are stocking up on cereals. Alright guys, so for this next scenario, I have a little personal care deal here. And a couple of quick notes on this. You may want to ring it up in the order that I have listed here because we are dealing with a couple of separate deals involving some of these Suave coupons, okay? So in order for the correct coupon to attach to the right product, you may want to ring it up as I have it listed here. Alright, so you want to pick up 2 of the Dove Women's Deodorant Twin Packs at $8. Those are $4 each. Then you want to pick up 2 of the Suave shampoos or conditioners for $2. Those are $1 each. I think there's strawberry scent or coconut scent that you can choose from. Also, I want to mention that the 1-off 2 Suave coupon that we're using with these items is also working on some other $1 Suave products. So I think we have the $1 Suave deodorants as well as maybe the 2-count Suave bar soap. So if you wanted to substitute one of those in, you definitely can. Just make sure that you scan it to make sure that the correct coupon is working with it. Alright. Next up, you want to pick up one of the Shea Moisture African Bar Soaps for $5. 2 of the Suave 10-ounce lotions for $3.90. Those are $1.95 each. 1 of the Vaseline lotions for $3.70. 1 of the Rexall Vitamin B12s for $2. 1 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1. And 1 of the Vicks VapoCool cough drops for $1. That is going to bring your subtotal to $26.60. And here are the digital coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 2 off 7 Dove, the 1 off 2 Suave products, the 3 off 1 Shea Moisture, 2 off 6 Unilever DG Store coupon, the 1 off 2 Suave products, the 1 off 1 Vaseline, the 1 off 1 Rexall, and the 2 off 1 Crest, and the 150 off 1 Vicks. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $7.10 for all 13 items, making each one just 54 cents each. Alright guys, and last but not least, we have our low out-of-pocket deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Shea Moisture African Bar Soaps for $5. 2 of the Suave shampoos or conditioners for $2. Those are $1 each. 1 of the Toms of Maine's Kids Toothpaste for $3. 1 of the Vitafusion Gummies for $5.75. 1 of the Centrum Vitamins 60 count for $5. 1 of the Colgate Max White Toothbrushes for $3. 1 of the Colgate Max Fresh Toothpaste for $2.75. 2 of the Airwick Warmers for $3.30. Those are $1.65 each. 1 of the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1. 1 of the Nature's Truth Vitamin C's for $1. 1 of the Vicks VapoCool cough drops for $1. And that is going to bring your subtotal to $32.80. And here are the coupons that you're going to need for this scenario. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need that 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Shea Moisture, the 1 off 2 Suave products, the 1 off 1 Toms of Maine products, the 2 off 1 Vitafusion vitamins, the 4 off 1 Centrum vitamins, the 2 off 1 Colgate toothbrush, the 2 off 1 Colgate toothpaste, the 160 off 1 Airwick warmer, 175 off 1 Airwick product, the 2 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 2 off 1 Nature's Truth vitamins, and the 150 off 1 Vicks products. Your subtotal after coupons will be just $3.95 for 13 items, but hang on because it gets a little bit better. Because right now on Ibotta, we have that $2 rebate for the Vitafusion Gummies. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and you're going to get $2 back for the vitamins. And we also have a 50-cent rebate for the Toms of Maine's Kids Toothpaste. So you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta and you're going to get 50 cents back for the toothpaste. So like I said, submit your receipt to Ibotta, you're going to get a total of $2.50 back. That is going to make your final price $1.45 for all 13 items, making each one just 11 cents each. So how awesome is that? And of course, when you're done, don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app because all of those Unilever products like Suave, Shea Moisture, all of those are included in the Fetch Rewards program, so you will receive points back for them. So if you're not already signed up, I highly recommend it, especially if you are a new couponer, because this is the easiest rebate app out there. My referral code is on the screen here, and like I said before, if you use it, you're going to receive a free 2,000 points, which is the equivalent of $2. And if you guys are looking for some more deals that you can do this week, I'm going to be linking a couple of videos down in the pinned comment below. So this week I did upload a Walgreens video, plus we have the new coupons and new glitches that are going on at Dollar General. And if you need more ideas for your 5 off $25 scenarios, go back and check out last week's video because some of those deals and coupon matchups are still available. And whether you are a new couponer or if you are a couponing pro, I really recommend that you guys go and check out my Crazy Coupons Guide, How to Coupon for Beginners in 2022. There's a lot of really awesome information in that video. So go check all of those videos out. I'm going to leave them linked down in the pinned comment below. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now, but before you go, I have a couple of quick favors to ask of you all. If you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so because we would love to have you as a part of our crazy couponing family here. And if you think you're subscribed, go ahead and double check for me because some people are getting unsubscribed. So make sure that you have hit that big red subscribe button right down below this video. Also, please give the video a big thumbs up, and you guys know I love hearing from you, so leave me a comment down below before you go. And one more thing I'm going to ask y'all to do is please share this video. Now, whether you share it out to a big Facebook group or if you just share it to yourself, please hit that share button right down below this video. You can even just send the link to the video in an email or a text message. It should pop up on your phone pretty easily. So click that share button and share this video out because all of those 4 simple little things, they just take a second to do and they really do make a huge difference. So if you like what I'm doing here and you enjoy watching my videos, please do those 4 simple things for me before you go. Like I said, it makes a huge difference. And hey guys, it is a free and simple way that you can show your support for my channel. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope you all have a wonderful, fantastic day. Thank you all so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.